Good morning, students. In this video, I will tell you all how you can write the answers of all these questions. First of all, I want to tell you after completing this chapter, I forgot to make the video of answer questions of this chapter. So, present time I am making this video. I am a little late. So but I am making the video of this question answer. So first of all, let me read the first question. What are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? So there are two questions in this question. First of all, you need what are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? This one is the second question in this question. The first units, if you study this chapter, you find that when child goes to visit the fair, he sees many things on his way to the fair, which are the following given below. Like this you can write. The first of all, you see when child starts going to visit going to the fair, he finds first of all he finds Eloise field of mustard oil, and after then second one you can say, right, he finds, he sees holes of worms, hole of insects are coming out from their hole to take the sunshine. And after then child enters the fair, and enters the fair. Child looks at butterflies and dove birds, and after then a child sees snake charmers, garland sailors, sweet shop, and sweet shop. And at the last time, child sees round about, you can say, swinging, and he has a great desire to swing there, and there he loses his parents. In this way you can answer. You can you can write all those things, the child of which the child has seen in the fair. And after then, why does he lag behind? In this question you need, बच्चा पीछे क्यों जाता है? The child is very little child. The child in this story we find the child is very little, and in his life he never saw such type of strange things, such type of, you can say, imaginative things. So when first time he sees anything that is insects home, that is snake charmers, or sweet shop, or any other thing, he attracts that thing. And when he is being attracted by that things, for few minutes he forgets totally about his father, about his parents. So when his parents call him back, then child goes to them. So this one is the reason why child lags behind his parents, lags behind, you can say. So in this way, this one is a very simple question. This one is a very simple question. You can answer this question within 2 or 3 lines. The first you need to answer, there are many things that are seen by the child. Few of them are given below, are the followings given below. Like this you can also say, write, he see or watches snake charmer, mustard oil field, insects hole, such type of thing. But first of all, you need to know what is the exact meaning of this chapter. If you know the exact meaning of this chapter, then you can write question answer, you can make a sentence formation, any other thing. It depends on you how you understood the meaning of this chapter. So in this way, the first question is over. Let me read second question. When does he realize that he has lost his way? इसमें ये पूछा जा रहा है कि बच्चा कब ये महसूस करता है कि वो अपने मार्ग को खो दिया, अर्थात he loses his parents. How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? Which type of feeling he feels? The writer describes. No? The first you answer the first question. The child at the last time when we study this story, we find at the ending, near about at the ending of this story, when child sees, when child sees a roundabout, you can see a giant swing, and he wants to ride in that swing. And for that thing he looks for that thing he looks towards that thing a few minutes, and during that time he forgets again about his parents. So when he demands that he wants to ride in this swing, he finds that no response from his parents. No, he finds that there is no response from his parents. So he understands, he realizes that he loses his parents. And after when he realizes this thing, what happens to him? Let me read. How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? That I already told you. When you study this story, you find the child is very little child, na? This one is very little child, so he has no logical mind. So when he does not find any answer from his parents in the fear, he starts running here and there, he starts crying. And when he starts crying, we finds his turban unties his turban is unties, and his face becomes white, you can say become yellow, due to fearness. And after he when he starts running from one place to another place, his body starts sweating, and in this way his cloth has been dirty. So in this way the condition of child has been very miserable. So you can describe all these things in your answer. After this one, let me read next one question, that is, what is this? In the fear he wants many things. What are they? I when I start when I taught you this chapter, I already reminded you all that all these things you need to remember, all these things you need to learn, because this one question will be asked related to all these things that are seen by the child. Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? So you can see from the starting, we when we study this chapter, we find the child looks at many things from the starting of this chapter. But first of he wants many things which are given below. The first of all, you can say he wants sweet, and after then he wants sweets, is garland, he want to see the circus of snake charmer, he wants to ride on the swing. So in this way he wants many things, ne? In this way he wants many things. But why does he move on without waiting for an answer? But when first child enters in the fear when first child enters the fear, after attracting by few things. First of all, earlier child demands his parents, but his parents denied his demands. His parents denied his demands. So in this way he understands that whatever he will ask for his parents, whatever he will ask his parents will not fulfill. So he starts suppressing his desires without waiting for any answer in this way. In the third question, in the story till here, child understands that whatever he will whatever he will demand, whatever he demands, he will be only punished, he will be only you can scolded, he will be only chidden by his parents. So he starts suppressing his desire. So in this way he does not want to demand any more to his parents. So you can understand, if you understand the meaning, you can write after this way. Let me read next question. Why does the last child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? A child is very little, we know. For a child his parents is everything, and in this statement has been proved in this story. When we start when study the story, we find starting time child's visits many things. Child visits many things, and he wants everything of which he visits in the fair. But no, his no demand is completed, yeah, fulfilled by his parents. But at the last time, at the round about, he loses his parents. So when he loses his parents, he starts running in the here and the, he starts running here and there. But he finds that he does not find his parents. And at the last time, a person picks of him and he asks him, which thing you want, why are you crying, of anything you want, you can take from the fair. No, but the child is totally, no, but child is totally, you can say, child does a child has no interest in all those things. This one is the reason, because he loses his parents. If he, un, until he has until he has parents, he has great interest, he is very interested in all these things. But when he, as soon as he loses his parents, he loses also his interest in these things. So in this way you can answer the last question. What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? Actually, when we read this story, we find the ending story of this is very complex. We find that writer does not write anything. Writer did not write anything about the child. At the last time, child finds his parents or not. In this story, we find that this one is not described in this story. But according to you, you can say, as per my understand, I think child finds his parents, no? Child ultimately finds his parents due to the help of that person. But only you need to answer in this story, this one is happens, yeah. Child, when child loses one time his parents in this story, and at the last story of this chapter, child does not find his child does not find his parents. But as for your understand, as far as you can understand, you can write this one thing. I think child finds that ultimately child finds his parents, because child stands at the reception, yeah, at that point. From there, he is seen by everyone in the fair. So he, I hope, I guess, the child found his parents. In this way, this chapter is over. A little late to I did a little late to make this video. Actually, I completed this chapter very earlier, but I forgot to make the video, yeah, to make the video related to answer of this question of this chapter. So for this, I'm sorry. Okay, I stop here. Thanks. In the next video, I again meet you all. Okay, thanks.